welcome everyone. Welcome to Mega Home Utsav, brought to you by housing.com. And so we all must be waiting, especially during this festive time, that what's all is there in store for us, especially when we are looking for to buy our dream home. And this seems to be the right opportunity, wherein housing.com will not only help you in bringing out the reputed properties from reputed developers and seller partners, but we'll also going to help you out in virtual site visits, drone tours, and even a lot more festive offers that we have in store for you. So this Mega Home Utsav, it was started from 7th of October, and it will be live till 15th of November, wherein we will keep on bringing a lot of property options for you. For today, let me welcome you all, and my name is Kalpesh Yadav. I'll be your host for this session. And we have distinguished panel from Horizon Financials and Property Advisors today. So we have Swapnil who will be representing Horizon Financials. So warm welcome to you, Swapnil. Would request you to if you can please introduce yourself for our guest, please.
Yeah, hi, hello everyone. I have 10 years of experience into property advising field. In this experience, we have reached various top into sales, wherein because of that highest sales, we have got one best opportunity of doing a soul selling project of Lodha Panacea, which is located in Dombivli. That's something about something special for today. So I am just pointed you to that particular project.
Great. Thank you so much, Swapnil. And I'm sure our entire audience would be very eager to know what is there in store for us. And as you rightly said, so for the benefit of our audience, we will going to discuss about Lodha Panacea, and it has been brought to you by Horizon Financial Advisors Limited. So my question to you, first of all, Swapnil, would be why Dombivli? I mean, what is the location advantage for Dombivli is there?
If you refer to Dombivli location, it is actually nearer to all the locations. If you see using Google location of Dombivli, Dombivli was earlier isolated because of lacking of the connection to Thane, whereas recent publicity means recent action from government is giving a connectivity directly to Airoli using some tunnel road which is already in process. And on the other hand, Dombivli is directly getting connected to Thane from Dombivli West. So it is actually making you nearer to all important location of Mumbai. On top of that, in Dombivli, there is an approval of 300 acres ITEZ area, SEZ area for IT in Dombivli near Katai Naka. So which will boost all the location, and this particular location is having MMRDA town planning, wherein MMRDA is developing total 29,000 acres in this particular location. Under that approval only, Lodha Panacea is also approved under MMRDA special town planning, which actually the speciality about Lodha MMRDA town planning is it gives you a very low density project. For example, this particular project which we are going to talk here, Lodha Panacea is spread across 40 acres, wherein first phases into 20 acres. In 20 acres, we have only 1,000 homes. If you compare all nearer competitors, there you will find it's like they have into 30 acres, you will find 4,000 homes is getting built. Whereas if you compare it to here, 20 acres, you will get 1,000 homes, which gives you lowest human density for the project point of view. And Dombivli point of view, it's getting nearly connected to every location, which will help all.
True. And in fact, if you talk about Dombivli, हमारी audience ने भी सुना ही होगा काफी बार. Lodha is someone who is actually developing the entire city there, and that is where we can see a major boost for that particular suburb.
Correct.
In fact, connectivity wise also, if we'll talk, so I believe Dombivli is pretty nicely connected on the central line, right?
Yes, you are correct. And on top of that, metro is also getting connected, which is already approved, and the plan is also out, so everyone can see it on the internet now.
Correct. So yeah, metro line actually gives a boost to the connectivity towards Dombivli. I would like to understand, and especially even our audience will be pretty keen on that, where exactly this project is located in Dombivli, because Dombivli itself is a pretty big suburb. So
Correct.
where exactly it is located?
So the speciality about this project is this is the project which is very nearer to Dombivli station. Rather, I should say this is the first project which has all the amenities when you start from the Dombivli station. So if you refer to this particular project, this is 3.5 kilometers from Dombivli station, which is very near, and all other bigger township projects which has amenities like swimming pool, gymnasium, and all these things, they're far than this. This is the closest project to the station. All other small projects are there, but they are standalone, so you'll not be able to enjoy the facilities of swimming pool, gymnasium, clubs, and all. So this is something best about the project location. On top of that, this project is 700 meters away from the DMart, which is famous spot of Dombivli. I'm sure
True.
the clients who are attending there, they might be from Dombivli region. So, or else they also can understand DMart always take their position at the place which is very convenient to all. So you can understand it's only on 700 meters from DMart. So
True.
something best location into Dombivli. And again with that, this is isolated also because it's like it's a bigger plot, so you get all the comfort living enjoyment even if it is in Dombivli, because Dombivli is famous for the crowded place, whereas this is in Dombivli, it is not crowded, it is lowest density project.
True. And in fact, you rightly said, since it is pretty close to the station, most of the commuters from Dombivli, they prefer to commute by train. To have a project pretty nearby to the station, and that to a gated community with all amenities, it's a cherry on the cake itself.
Yes, you're
Great,
right.
great. So just to add on to that, I would like to ask a couple of more questions because I believe our audience will gonna benefit out of it. In fact, I would like to request our audience as well. If you have any questions, please feel free to type your questions in chat box, and I'm sure Mr. Swapnil will be happy to address all of them.
Sure, sure.
Swapnil, won't it be great if you'd be able to show us a video of that particular project so that our audience can gauge how it looks like, and what is all there in the store for us?
Sure. I have a video of the project, which I will say it's hardly 2.5 minutes video. I'll share it quickly so that everyone can have a look on the amenities and the location.
That's great. That would be great.
Give me a second.
Sure.
So
Yeah, we can see the video.
sorry to pause. I just wanted to highlight you on the location front. If you refer,
Yeah, that would be very important for our guests, I believe. Yeah.
yeah. I mean, just interrupted the video so that you can understand it far better, because this is the map which is there in the video. If you see, this
Right.
is the Dombivli station. From Dombivli station, if you start, you will be coming to this way street, and then this is the spot where you will be able to see the DMart spot.
This is on Dombivli Manpada Road, right?
Yes, this is on Dombivli Manpada Road. This act generally in regular hours you can reach by bike here within 10 to 12 minutes.
Okay.
Or generally you will get shared auto to reach up to the project, as well as we have a bus by KDMC which directly takes you to Lodha Panacea project. The name
Okay.
of the bus service itself is a Lodha Regency. There is a one complex which was designed 12 to 13 years back, so that is still there. So daily bus service is also there by KDMC
Okay.
with the named as Lodha Regency, which is bang opposite to the Lodha Panacea. Okay, so referring to the map, if you come from the Dombivli station, you would be reaching to DMart. It is a very famous spot. Opposite to this, there is a mandir called Shani Mandir. If you move from the DMart, then immediately if you take next right, this red load is already there, but this is 30 feet road right now, which is
Okay.
going to get developed to 90 feet, which is already approved on all the government things. It was, in fact, it was under TD, means it was already declared on the news also that in February it was declared that it would be started soon, whereas in after Corona this was currently on pause state. But this is on paper. The next action which would be happening is this would be going to be developed. So right now this road is there, but only 30 feet road is there, whereas it is getting developed to 90 feet, which will directly take you to the Lodha Panacea project. Okay,
True.
so and again this project, this road further goes towards our Shilfata connectivity. So you would be actually getting connected to Shilfata side also.
Right.
Just talking to you about distance from DMart to Panacea, it would be, we have counted on this would be something around 700 to 800 meters, which you can walk down to get anything at the DMart. So that's
True.
one of the USP. On other hand, we have various things like there are many schools over here nearby. So I will point out to the next discussion. I'll just restart the video. Don't.
Sure.
Help
Sure.
everyone.
Well, that looks to be a promising township, in fact. And we have seen the video. Location you have rightly explained. It is pretty close to the station, and it has a good connectivity with the DMart as well, wherein you can have your day-to-day necessity things from there. So this project currently is in which state? I mean, is it ready to move in, or is it still in under construction?
So we have promised delivery on December 21, whereas there is very high chance that we will be delivering in next 4 to 5 months. We are already reached to plastering state for 2 wings. I'm talking about phase 1. So in phase 1 we will be delivering 5 towers. Out of 5, first two towers are now nearly on delivery. Means I should say it is right to say is like 4 to 5 months we would be taking to reach on the delivery date.
So we can say by March 2021, the possession is expected there.
Correct. So we are at the plastering state for A and B wing.
Okay. So, Swapnil, do you have some images to show us, where exactly the construction has reached so far and how it is looking like as of now?
Sure. Whereas the images which I would be showing it to you, which are like 1.5 months older, because it's all these images which I'm sharing, they are drone images. We generally need to take permissions from government for the drone images, which gives a clear idea. That's why just these are the old images, but still old, I mean This is like 1.5 to 2 months old images. So
Okay, so
refer this is the, you are able to see my screen.
yes, we can.
So this is complete site picture. Okay, so this
Okay,
building is now at the plastering state. This is clubhouse. Okay, wherein you can see the clubhouse completely operational, or no, means like this is the road which go towards DMart. Up
okay.
behind this building, DMart is there. Okay, so this complete full site image, actually, just for your reference. I'm just
So the swimming pool that you have showed, yeah, this one. So
mhm.
this is ready and operational as of now, right?
Yes, operational is, we are waiting for
Yeah, I
clients to
mean to
come
say it
in.
is ready.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
correct.
And this is the road which leads to the product project.
Yeah, yeah. This is the road which is, yes, goes towards the product Lodha Panacea project.
Okay. And you said, now for the first phase, the work is still the plastering stage.
Yes, A being is already at the plastering stage. B is just behind it, and
Okay.
C and D is like behind 4 to 5 months of it. So we would be starting possession of A and B wing in 2021.
Great. In fact, if you can go to the last image,
Mm-hmm.
there was a lot of open space, which you rightly said. It's not a concrete jungle there. It is more
Correct,
of a pretty much open spaces available in that
correct,
vicinity.
correct.
Great. So a request to our guests also. Should you have any questions, please, start typing your questions in chat box, and we'll be happy to address all of them. Right. Uh, so couple of more questions from my side, Swapnil. If we'll talk about the amenities, I mean, we have seen most of the amenities in the video, but if you could, stress a bit more on what all amenities are there in the project.
So if you we have almost all the facilities in the project, wherein just to point you out, we have a gymnasium inside the project, wherein apart from that we have a guest rooms. We have planted one concept over here, because all the flats culture which actually generally end to 2 BHKs and all, but when you have any function and all at home, that time you generally face issues of staying. How would you accommodate your guest in your home? So what happens is, we generally end up asking neighbors to share their place. So what we have created, one concept is, we have created 6 guest rooms, wherein you can book it at your society office for your end use, and then you can this is operated by society, whereas we have created whole guest rooms. Right now you can come and see it. On top of
True.
that, we have a indoor games area, we have a swimming pool, plus we have a jogging track across the project, which helps everyone to stay fit.
Right.
There's something I would you able to see my screen.
Yes.
So this is
Yes.
the top view. We have taken it from the 250 meters of the project using drone. This is the actual
Okay.
image.
Right.
So this is something, the best USP of the project. So if you refer, this is a layout of floor. All the building has the same layout. The best part is, no door is in front of each other. So if you refer this door, this flat, no one can peep inside your home. So see,
True.
refer, this is something, the distance. If you refer to any of the project which is nearby in the vicinity, they don't give you this much passage outside your home. You can refer, this is
Yeah.
7.6 width and this is 12 feet width. So you can
True.
refer, it is like more than 300 square feet passage on every floor.
True.
And the complete, the best, one more best part is, you don't share kind of all the walls with each other. Like most of the project are now,
Right.
like they are actually making complex
The
buildings. So
boxes, like,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah. So
True.
refer here, it is a Y-shaped building, which helps everyone to see both side of the project. So this is something USP about the. We have few clients who have bought jodi apartments to get the both side views.
Right. And in fact, with this kind of floor plan, making Jodi would be pretty much easier, right?
Correct. So this is something, the best part about the Jodi. This is the layout which gone high, which is sold highest into Jodi. So if you
Okay.
refer, this is like 360 square feet hall, plus you have a dining, and then you
Right.
have bedrooms. Means you can make it 4 BHK plus one study room.
True.
That's something USP of this, and this has very good layout.
Right. And in fact, I can see there are 6 flats and there are 2 lifts and 2 staircase, right?
Yes, that's one of the most important thing to compare. If you refer all the big brands nearby in the vicinity, you will be finding they are offering 240 people in one building, whereas we are just taking 88 people in one building, and for that 88 people we are offering 2 lifts. That is also stretcher lift. So that's
Right.
a USP about the project.
Perfect. Perfect. Just to add on to that, I mean, we have talked about the floor plan as well.
Mhm.
What is the configurations available here?
So we have 1 BHK, two 1 BHK per floor. This is 1 BHK, this is 1 BHK.
Okay.
Two Optima. These are the 2 BHKs only. Whereas what we have done smartly is, refer, if you generally see, this is the hall, which is 150 square feet. This is the
Right.
kitchen, then this is the bedroom. What generally happens is you generally end to have a bedroom here. But
True.
if you refer, this is the passage which you end up wasting. So what we have done is we have just moved this flat, this particular bedroom from here, and we have shifted it here. Okay, so which
Correct.
has helped to reduce wastage of the passage. So this is our
True.
best selling flat, which is very nicely done into 620 carpet area, wherein 71 square feet is the balcony area. So all the flats we have a balcony as well.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Yes.
And in fact, in the same layout, the other bedroom that you have shown, it can be easily used as a guest bedroom as well. If there is a nuclear family
Yes.
and if you have a
Yes.
guest, it
Yes.
gives you the complete privacy as well.
Correct. Correct.
Perfect, perfect. So, as we talked about the layout, uh, I believe for our audience, it would be great if you can, give them a virtual live tour of the property so that, at their home, sitting at their home, they can actually see the property. So, won't it be great if you can show them that as well?
Sure, I can take you to the live tour of this particular flat, which is 620, which is the smartest flat into our complex.
Right.
So, yes,
Sure, sure. So I'll just share my screen to have a look at the live tour of the entire project. So it would be great if you will be, you will help us in explaining that,
sure, sure. You have
right?
helped,
I'll just,
yes, you have
I'll
already
just
helped us to put that into video, so which will obviously help us to explain everyone. Thank you
definitely,
for that.
definitely. So I'll just share my screen wherein we'll be able to, see the live tour of the complete property. So to start with, I believe this is 2 BHK that we are showcasing, right?
Correct. This is Optima 2 BHK, which is a smart 2 BHK for us.
Okay, and this is the main entrance.
Yes, this is the
I mean,
entrance
this is
of
how the
a
entrance would look
sample
like.
flat. Yes, this is the entrance of a sample flat.
Okay. This is the living room.
Yes, this is a 150 square feet living room. We have a
Okay,
balcony
so
here.
yeah, and this is how the living room will look like, I guess, right?
Yes, perfect. This is the view from the balcony for the living room.
Okay, okay. And in the left-hand side, we can see a door. So this is the bedroom that we are talking about.
Correct. So few of the clients are actually going to put their sliding door over there to just they want to hide that bedroom. If you want to hide that bedroom, you can make some interior work over there. Whereas this is the bedroom which you can directly get in.
True, true. Or in fact, you can use it for kids' bedroom as well.
Kids bedroom as well. That's perfect.
Perfect, perfect. And let's have a look at the balcony as well.
Correct. So if you refer here, this is the balcony wherein you will be able to have a cup of tea or by sitting over here.
True, true, true. And what is the area of this balcony?
This balcony's width is 3 feet, and then as per the room size, all the balcony's width is 3 feet.
So you can easily put a small coffee table there.
Yes, you're right.
And then this is the bedroom.
Correct. So
This is the bedroom which we just saw in the as soon as you enter on your left hand side.
Correct. This is kids bedroom. Correct.
Okay.
The size of the kids bedroom is also 9 by 11.
Okay, okay. So it is also pretty spacious enough, close to 100 square meters, square
Correct.
feet.
Correct.
This is the passage that you were talking, I believe, right?
Correct. This
And
is minimal passage, which we are actually small passage. We are just we have reduced whole passage.
right, right, right. So the space wastage is not there at all.
Yes, correct.
Yeah. So for our audience, we can clearly see this is the entrance, and we have entered. This is the kids' bedroom,
Hmm.
and here we have the balcony, and we are standing in the passage.
It's
This is
common
the
bathroom.
common washroom, I believe, right?
Yes, you're right.
Okay. So now we have entered into the kitchen, and I'm sure kitchen is the most important thing for our self-use home buyers. In fact, right?
Correct.
It will come with the L-shape platform.
Yes, it is coming with L-shaped platform, as well as at Dashera we are offering this with a modular kitchen as well. You will be getting it with the modular kitchen as well.
Oh, that's wonderful. I mean, it's an amazing offer to grab.
Correct.
Plus, is there a attached balcony to kitchen also?
Yes, it is a dry balcony. You can see you can put your washing machine also outside if you want. There is a
Okay,
space we have created where you can put a washing machine.
right. Yeah, yeah. I can see
Yes,
water connection
yes, you are
user
right.
here.
Correct.
Right. So this balcony from kitchen can be used for utility work.
Correct. Dry balcony we can say it as.
True, true. And this is the bedroom. This is the master bedroom, right?
Yes, this is a master bed. It has a USP of having, means you will be able to, this is something a specialty about the project. This
Mhm.
master bedroom size is 10 by 13.
Oh,
You
close to,
can,
I mean, almost 130 square feet.
correct. So in the neighborhood, you will not be able to get any flat with 130 square feet master bed.
Right. I mean, we can easily see, the bed is there and still there is a moving space in the room.
Correct. So
Uh,
that's something USP ordered. On top of that, we have a niche wardrobe also, wardrobe niche as well, wherein you can
yeah,
actually fit your wardrobe inside the cavity.
true, true. And that is the challenge most of the home buyers face. The wardrobe comes in between the, bedroom, and
Correct.
it reduces the moving space. So it's
Yes.
good that, it is coming with a niche created.
So we have thought through multiple times, and I'm working on this project since last means like this low cost housings project at the from 4 to 5 years. So I have suggested many strategy changes for before creating the drawing only. So
Right.
that's something best.
Yeah, absolutely. And it looks wonderful. I mean, plenty of space there in the bedroom as well.
Correct.
And
And
and this is the balcony attached with bedroom, right?
yes, yes, you're right.
So we have three balconies. I mean, one each in the living room and the bedroom, and there is one utility balcony in the kitchen.
Perfect, perfect.
And this bedroom is a master bedroom. I mean, with an
Yes,
attached washroom,
with
right?
the attached toilet. Awesome. Correct.
Okay, so that was the internal, house, and this is something which is already, constructed. The
Yes.
outer piece, right?
Yes, this is a ready clubhouse. For now, we are using it for the demonstration purpose to the clients. In future, clients will be actually using. Whereas many developers just promise saying that we will do this, do that, and then end up doing nothing. So that's
Right.
why we have created it first, and we are showcasing the same, and then we are delivering it.
True. 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 So this is that garden area near the swimming pool.
Correct.
So as I can see, this swimming pool comes with a kids pool as well.
Yes, this is a kids pool as well, and then again we have a sauna bath area as well.
Okay. Okay.
Jacuzzi area as well, sorry. Jacuzzi area as
Right.
well. Here, if you refer, this is a jacuzzi spot on the other side.
Okay. Plus for kids, we have playing area as well here.
Playing area as well, correct. This all things are live. These are the actual images. These are the
Right.
actual
Right.
photos which has been taken by housing.com by when they came to our site.
Great, great. So I believe with the help of this live tour, our audience would be able to actually do the virtual site visit, sitting there at the comfort of their home. In fact, we are receiving quite a few questions. We have a question that what is the cost of 1 BHK? All inclusive cost of 1 BHK and carpet area. Yeah, definitely. I'm sure you're gonna reveal the cost at the end. But
Mhm.
can you tell us what is the carpet area for 1 BHK?
The best part about carpet area of 1 BHK is 495 carpet, which includes 51 square feet balcony.
Okay, okay. So again, it is pretty spacious enough.
Yes.
And adding to that, when we have said the area. Before I come to price, you have revealed us one offer that there till for this Dashera is that the modular kitchen will be there, right? And
And
anything
AC modular kitchen plus AC we are offering on the dash. If somebody give their request to the number which will be displayed at the latter stage, he will be
right?
eligible for modular kitchen plus AC offer, which would be for Dashera special. AC would be of 1.5 ton.
That's nice. I mean, when you have said there is such a spacious bedroom, so I believe 1.5 ton is must there.
Correct.
We have also received one more question. It says, what is the destination station of metro? I mean, which is the nearby metro station to from this project?
So from here, there will be a metro station which would be very near from this location, which should be around 500 to 800 meters at near Manpada police station. Manpada
Okay,
circle. And there is one spot called Manpada. So there
right.
we might we are expecting a metro station.
Okay, okay. And what would be the source and destination of this metro line?
Source and destination, yeah. So technically this is coming from Navi Mumbai and going towards Thane.
Okay,
Means you,
okay.
through Kalyan it would be going towards Thane.
Right. So it provides good connectivity towards Thane and Navi Mumbai as well.
Correct.
And I believe that is where most of people who are working in those areas will prefer to stay in Dombivli because it provides good connectivity.
Correct. And in future, once that Dombivli West route gets open towards Thane, everything will be flowing in the, means like right now our clients needs to travel either to Dombivli or towards Mumra. So they have to
Right.
come from that location. In future, when it is getting connected through Dombivli West towards Thane, it would be very easier for everyone to come and stay here. It would be it would be a shortcut.
Right, right. On the metro thing, again, we received one more question.
Mhm.
One of our guests is asking, is it the Belapur to Kalyan metro that we are talking about?
Yes, right.
Right? So which will gonna connect us to Kalyan and the Navi Mumbai
Correct, correct,
suburbs as well.
correct.
Right. So we are receiving quite a few questions, and for all the other guests also, should you have any questions, please feel free to ask us. I'm sure Mr. Swapnil is really happy to address all of them. Just to add on to that, Swapnil, I would like to ask what all are the maintenance charges? Because since we are providing so many amenities and all, what
Mhm.
would be the maintenance charges?
So we have 3 rupees per square feet on carpet as a maintenance, which we would be
Okay,
taking at time of possession. So,
right.
so that's something very optimal charges on the
True.
maintenance front, because the while creating all the amenities in the project, we have considered all the approaches. We have planted STP plant as well, which will help you to reduce many other costs. Again, on top of that, the way we have designed the project, it has been like every corner of the project has been used for some or other purposes. So
True.
everywhere we have tried to kept optimum utilization of everything.
True, true, true. Also, most of the home buyers, especially the first-time home buyers, they prefer to go for home loans because we have received quite a few questions with regards to home loans and Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana as well. So, all these things qualify for this project?
Yes, sir. Yes, our project is approved from all the big banks like SBI, LIC, HDFC, Axis. almost we have sold around 75% of the inventory of phase one.
Okay.
So almost all the banks has financed. Plus, on top of that, many of our clients have opted the that facility of EMAY.
Right, right, right. So that again is an motivation or extra incentive for the first time home buyers that we have.
Correct, correct.
Perfect, perfect. Uh, Now, since we are talking about the cost and all, because we are receiving a lot of questions with regards to cost, I would like to ask about the availability of inventory. I mean, on what is the availability showing as of now? Are there some lower floors inventory still available? I mean, which
Yes,
our
yes.
buyers can have.
We will be starting phase two shortly, and
Right.
still on top of that, we have some odd, very good options available into wing C, wing D, wing E, wherein you will see a position just after A and B wing.
Okay, okay, okay. Perfect, perfect. So we have availability, on the lower floors as well in those.
Correct, correct.
That's great. That's great. And any PLC or the floor rise charges are there? I mean, if you
So
don't find the lower floor inventories and
your
someone.
your question is unveiling my offer step by step. So this is
Okay, so
something best offer on this Dashera. Actually, I have a bundle of offers for Dashera,
okay.
whereas what is happening is your question is going directly to the offers.
So
Still,
so
I'm
let me
answering you
reframe my
part
question.
by
Let me reframe my question. What is in all there for our home buyers for the Dashera offer that you have?
So in Dashera, we are offering 1 to 6 floor. If anyone wants to buy, we are not charging any floor rise. And if you
Great.
buy anything from 7 to 15 floor, you will be charging only one floor's floor rise. Plus we will
Oh,
be, plus we will be taking 0% GST, whoever is buying from at Dashera.
perfect, perfect. So just to summarize, I mean, it is very difficult for me to memorize everything. Uh,
Mhm.
we are getting modular kitchen,
Correct,
1.5 ton AC, which is required for such a spacious bedroom.
correct,
Zero GST,
correct,
no floor rise till sixth floor.
correct.
And if you are to buy from seventh to 15th floor, you need to pay floor rise for just one floor.
Yes, you're right.
Well, this all seems to be pretty amazing offers.
I have
I would,
something which I'll disclose you at the end also. I have
but
some.
the kind of
No,
questions we were receiving, so I believe our guests were pretty eager to know what all are there in the offerings, and all these offers sound pretty lucrative.
correct.
But if someone wants to visit your property, or if someone looks to visit maybe today, or maybe in the coming weekend,
Mhm.
where they should reach you. I mean, I'm sure
So
we're gonna share the mobile number of yours and
correct,
the mail ID.
correct.
However, if they would wish to reach your office, so where is your office situated?
So we have an office inside the premises. We have a, clubhouse on in clubhouse only. We are working as a sales office for now. We have
Okay,
most of the things ready. So once this is something where we can meet to the client, which will help everyone to discuss. So means we will invite you to come and meet at clubhouse, Lora
true.
Banasya.
Great, great. So this seems to be an offer for us. I mean, for all our home buyers. And in the coming weekend, my suggestion would be go along with the family and then have a live tour and look and feel of the entire project.
Yes.
That's great, Swapnil, and thank you so much for answering all these questions. But now I come to the main question: what is the cost?
Okay, so let's go to the let's discuss on the flow flat wise. So we have
Sure.
three options.
Right.
One, if you refer to our 1 BHK, we have 1 BHK with a carpet of 495 square feet, which has a 51 square feet balcony,
True.
and 450 square feet actual carpet.
Right.
So this comes with a all-inclusive offer of 42 lakhs, which is very nice offer. You should calculate it as per the comparing all the carpet areas and all. On
Right.
other hand, we have something called means like I like that apartment, which is I call it as a smart 2 BHK, whereas on paper we call it as a Optima 2 BHK. This
Right.
Optima 2 BHK, we would be giving it at all inclusive cost of 51 lakhs.
Nice.
That's something go-getter kind of offer. And on other hand, we have a lavish 2 BHK, which we are also calling it as a 2 BHK Ultima. So that you would be getting at 58 lakhs all inclusive cost, which has
Great.
a 84 carpet.
Perfect. Perfect. So just to summarize, the 1 BHK was 42.
Correct.
The Optima or the Smart 2 BHK that we call it is 51.
Correct.
And the larger one, the lavish one, the Ultima 2 BHK is 58.
Correct. You're right.
This cost is pretty effective for buying on, especially for the first time buyers.
Yeah,
right.
and this
Along
is
with that, you are
all-inclusive
offering so
offer.
much.
Yes, all inclusive offer. This has all inclusive offer, which contains 0 GST. And I told you that I'll talk to you at the end of the session, something which this offer contains one of the sweetener called as 50% stamp duty would be paid by Lodha.
Wow. So this is a cherry on the cake. I mean, after all these amazing offers, we have one more thing, which is 50% of the stamp duty will be borne by Lodha.
Correct.
So we are actually buying the apartment at the 50% stamp duty.
Correct.
That's very nice. We again got one more question. One of our audience is asking for size of the Smart 2 BHK.
Smart 2 BHK's carpet is 620, including usable carpet. Means like actual carpet of Smart 2 BHK is 549 plus 71 square feet balcony. So if you add up both the things together, it is 620 square feet carpet.
Okay.
Whereas still, after all these things, if you count the sizes of the room, it's like you have a hall of 150 square feet plus 3 feet balcony. You have a kid's bedroom with a size of 9 by 11.
Right.
You have a kitchen, decently sized 8 by 9 kitchen. And apart from that, it's this the carpet of bedroom is 10 by 13, which is almost 130 square feet.
Absolutely.
Something
Absolutely.
which means this is a Smart 2 BHK which will help everyone to, means like people who are actually looking for 1 BHK, they can actually stretch to this particular 2 BHK. This
Absolutely
is something,
right.
and actually if you refer all the in this vicinity, you will find good 1 BHK at around 45 lakhs, where you need to stretch slightly and you will get this 51 lakhs 2 BHK.
True. So I believe we were able to answer most of our, in fact, all the questions that we just recently received. And on the same note, just one last thing, because I just got one more question here. How about the parking? Are there any extra charges for parking? Because I know you have mentioned that it is an all-inclusive price.
Yes.
But what about parking? And is there any dedicated space for parking?
Yes, with every flat, we are actually, with the flats which we are giving is like one parking is, we are giving with one flat, we are giving one car park, which is reserved for a particular buyer. It is open parking, but it is reserved for a buyer, and same would be mentioned into agreement as well.
Okay. So that's pretty sorted. I mean, the parking piece,
Yes.
right? Any other questions that our audience would like to ask? Please feel free to ask before we conclude this session. And I'm sure me and Swapnil were able to answer all of your questions, and would have helped you in making an informed choice before going for a site visit. And as Swapnil mentioned, on this weekend you can just go with the family and have a look and feel of the property, because this property comes up with a lot of amazing offers. And just to summarize that, let's see how much I remember, Swapnil. So we are offering again a modular kitchen.
Correct.
1.5 ton AC.
Correct.
Right. Then we are giving 0 GSTs there.
Correct.
Plus there is no floor rise for first to sixth flat floors. Correct. 7 to 15 floors, if you are buying, you need to pay floor rise for only one floor.
Correct.
And on top of that, 50% waiver of stamp duty.
Correct.
So sounds pretty lucrative.
Stamp duty would be paid by Lodha.
Right. Stamp duty 50% would be paid by Lodha, and you need to pay only the 50%.
Yes, and the best part is our property is spread in 20 acres, which has only it is a less human density project. So we have only 888 apartments for into total 10 towers. Each of our tower has 88 flats. You will be using two stretcher lift for traveling for 88 flats, where all other competing project would be like having 240 flats per building and having only three lifts. So out of which three, one they generally offer one as a stretcher lift and two as a normal lift. So this is what is called as a better human density project, which every buyer should actually compare.
True, true, absolutely, absolutely. And as we were discussing, I again got a couple of more questions. So I hope you will you'll be happy to address that as well.
Sure,
So
sure.
now the question that I've got: what is the exact time for metro to start?
So this is something tricky question, which is after Corona, it's like there are many things which are like hang state at the government's end. Whereas because of Corona, our approvals were also slightly delayed, whereas we are trying to cope up on our approvals as well. On the other
Mhm.
hand, this metro's timeline is something which is out of our scope. I think that is something which is declared by government, and but the deadline has been declared online, whereas this is not the right forum to talk on the deadline of government. It is something for us, I can help you on that. Don't
Right.
mind for this answer, but this is a really a real answer.
No worries, no worries, no worries. So on the same note, I believe we have been able to answer most of, or in fact, all of the questions that our audience have asked us.
Hmm.
Thank you so much, Swapnil, for giving time and helping our home buyers, to go through the entire details of this particular property. And I'm sure with your help, they will be able to buy their dream home. So
Sure.
thank you so much. I would like to thank our audience as well. Thank you so much for joining and attending this session. And I think we were able to give you some insights about the property, and would have helped you in your journey of buying the dream home. Well, this mega home utsav from housing, it doesn't stop here. It will gonna carry on for a month or so, and we are live till 15th of November, and we'll keep on bringing such a lot of property options for all of you. So thank you so much for joining in, and that's it from my side. I'm your host Kalpesh Yadav, signing off. Thank you so much. Stay safe.